Despite the county's decision to lift the mandate on face coverings, several cities in the valley are still not ready to do that. Some, including the city of Coachella, have enacted new rules requiring that residents continue to keep their faces covered in public. Today I spoke with Mayor Stephen Hernandez. Mayor Hernandez, it's great to see you again. Thanks for joining us.
Well, thank you for having me.
The county recently voted to loosen some of the public health restrictions, including the mandatory use of face coverings. But several valley cities, including the city of Coachella, have now enacted their own rules that still require them to be worn in public. Why is that?
Well, I think for the city of Coachella, we're not ready to loosen up on any requirements. And frankly, what the county recommended was strongly recommended the use of face covering. So for us, it's just say, look, we're going to mandate it. We do have the highest cases in the Coachella Valley. A lot of our constituency are essential workers. A lot of them are working in the agriculture industry. A lot of them are still working in the grocery stores. So for us, it's just really a step to take care of our residents and give them the surety that they need so that we can flatten the curve in the city of Coachella.
And you just mentioned your city has one of the highest numbers of cases of coronavirus in the entire valley. Why do you think that is, and what needs to happen to help these people?
Well, I think there's several different factors, and let me just say that we've been as a city working in collaboration with the county and working in collaboration with the 29 band of Mission Indians as well as Borrego to do more testing. So naturally, when you get testing sites up and there's more testing going on, those numbers will rise. At the same time, we do have a lot of essential workers within our community. And these are folks that didn't have the benefit of sheltering in place and staying at home like you or I. Some of them have been continuously working in the agriculture industry. They're continuously working in grocery stores, and they're still out and about. I think for us, and very happy that just actually today, the county started delivering, masks out to some of the essential workers, and they're going to be procuring more masks for all workers in general, because that's going to be a big requirement as things loosen up a little bit. So we're trying to make sure that our workers have the essential things that they need: face covering, sheltering in place, some of those plastic shields that you're starting to see everywhere, and so I think those are some of the reasons why we have a lot of cases in the city of Coachella.
Does it frustrate you at all that several other valley cities like Indio, which is near Coachella, have not taken the same approach with face coverings? They're following the county.
No, it doesn't. I think what we do know is that businesses are going to take the precautionary approaches, and it's just going to be part of the way we're going to do things. I think what we're seeing is kind of society as a whole saying, hey, if we want to loosen up, if we want to go places, then we're going to have to do our part to stay healthy and take kind of a personal responsibility stand on it. Having said that, though, I just think that we're going to be better off if everybody wears a mask.
All right. Mayor Hernandez, good to see you again. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.